Hi guys and welcome back. Now we have our list of 100 sample users, and as we can see on the screen now, they just appear in one big long list. Let's add pagination to show only €30 on a page at any one time. We're going to use a method called will_paginate. Before we can use it, we need to add the following gems: will paginate and bootstrap will paginate. Let's go back to our gem file, and at line 6 hit enter, and let's add in gem will_paginate, comma. Let's now add in the version number, and that's going to be version 3.1.8. New line, let's add in the gem, single quotation marks, bootstrap hyphen will hyphen paginate. So this is going to throw out our order of our gem list and our version numbers, but not to worry. So that's going to be version 1.0.0. There we go. Now let's close our server down here and run our bundle install. Still have it there. There we go. Bundle install. Okay, so it's telling us there it can't find the gem bootstrap will paginate. So let's take a look at that. Okay guys, I just did a quick Google, and actually at line 8 gem bootstrap will paginate, it's bootstrap hyphen will underscore paginate. There we go. Let me save that, run our bundle install again, and this should work. Yep, there we go. Okay, perfect. Let's restart the web server. And before we go to the actual application, let's update the index view of our application to include pagination. So let's go to app views users index. Left hand side, app views users index. Here we go. Now after H1 here on line 2, add in the line will paginate. So percentage equals will_paginate. Close that embedded Ruby code out. And then at the end of UL here, so at the end of our unordered list, same line again. So let me just copy this, copy, paste, save. So now we have our new will paginate code added to the user's index view screen or view page. We now need one or two more code changes before it actually works in our application. So let's do that now. The paginate method looks for an @users object and then adds pagination links to all other pages. So as of yet, it's not working, and our view contains the results of users.all, which we saw at the beginning of the lesson. Will paginate requires that we paginate the results explicitly using the paginate method. So we need to add in that method now. Let's go to app controllers users controller. So app controllers users controller. And we're working on the users index list, which as we know is here in the index action. So instead of saying user.all, we're now saying user.paginate. Let's give it its parameters. Page, params, square brackets, page. Okay, let's save that. Paginate takes a hash argument with the key :page. User.paginate pulls the users out of the database one block of 30 users at a time. So let's now jump back into our application and see it working. Perfect, look at that. So we're showing a list of 30 users as per previous parameters that we entered. Page 2, page 3, page 4. Next, previous, excellent, works perfect. So that's it for this lesson guys. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next.